Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Tesla Powerwall backup for home EV charging. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate the Tesla Powerwall backup for home EV charging, first ensure that your Powerwall is installed and fully operational. Next, access the Tesla app on your smartphone. Log into your Tesla account if prompted. Select your Powerwall from the main screen. Navigate to the settings section within the app. Look for the backup settings option in the menu. Enable the backup mode, ensuring it is set to charge your EV during power outages. Check the battery percentage to confirm it is sufficiently charged. Next, locate the EV charging settings within the app. Select the option to prioritize charging your EV from the Powerwall. If available, schedule your EV charging times for when the grid power is less expensive. Make sure your home solar system is connected to the Powerwall if applicable. Confirm the settings by reviewing your system status in the app. Monitor the charging status through the Tesla app during the charging session. After the initial setup, ensure your settings are saved and operating correctly. Check for software updates regularly to maintain optimal performance. Review your energy consumption and adjust settings as necessary for efficiency. With these steps, your Tesla Powerwall is now set up to provide backup power for EV charging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.